Good morning, children. 12th science. In surface chemistry, the important questions again preparation of colloids. पेप्टाइजेशन कितने मार्क का आएगा लिख के रख लो बाजू में 2 मार्क क्वेश्चन. सो व्हाट इज पेप्टाइजेशन बेटा? फॉर प्रोसेस ऑफ कन्वर्टिंग ए प्रेसिपिटेट इनटू कोलाइडल सॉल्यूशन. प्रेसिपिटेशन यू ऑल नो. उस प्रेसिपिटेट से कोलाइडल सॉल्यूशन बनाने को कहते हैं पेप्टाइजेशन. डिस्पर्सन मीडियम में small amount of electrolyte is put. Okay, this electrolyte which causes this formation of colloidal sol is known as peptizing agent. A freshly prepared precipitate is converted into a colloidal sol. During peptization, the precipitate absorbs one of the ion of electrolyte on its surface. इलेक्ट्रोलाइट में 2 आयन्स हैं, पॉजिटिव आयन एंड नेगेटिव आयन. सो प्रेसिपिटेट अब्जॉर्ब्स वन ऑफ द आयन्स ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रोलाइट ऑन इट्स सरफेस. सो पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव चार्ज डेवलप्स ऑन प्रेसिपिटेट. If it absorbs positive ion, then it will be positive charge precipitate. If it absorbs negative charge, then it develops negatively charged, which break up into smaller particles of the size of a colloid. Then certain properties are cancelled by GSEB, but Brownian movement is there. So Brownian movement क्या? रॉबर्ट ब्राउन ने बताया था इसके बारे में. So it is known as Brownian movement. It is viewed under a powerful ultra microscope. क्या move? Colloidal solutions when they are viewed. Should I write here? Colloidal solutions when they are viewed under a powerful ultra microscope, then they show the state of continuous zigzag motion all over the field of view. ठीक है, continuous zigzag motion. If you show this colloidal movement in a zigzag motion, colloidal particles. This movement is known as Brownian movement given by Robert Brown. ठीक है, this motion is independent of nature of colloid. Independent, ऐसा लिखो, motion is independent of concentration of colloid concentration के बदले अगर अपन यहाँ नेचर लिखें, नेचर ऑफ कोलॉइड, राइट, and depends on the size of particles. Depends upon the size of particles and viscosity of the solution. Smaller the size and lesser the viscosity, faster will be the motion. Note it down, children. Smaller the size and lesser the viscosity, faster is the motion. The Brownian movement has been explained by due to unbalanced bombardment of particles by the molecules of dispersion medium. Dispersion medium क्या है? जो मीडियम है उसके मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं. सो unbalanced bombardment of the particles by the molecules of dispersion medium. The Brownian movement has a stirring effect which does not permit the particles to settle, and so it is responsible for stability of soles. स्टरिंग इफेक्ट है जिसकी वजह से पार्टिकल्स सेटल नहीं होते हैं. सो स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ सोल इज मेंटेन्ड. सेटल हो जाएंगे तो फिर कोलॉइड नहीं रहेगा. सो इट इज स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ सोल इज मेंटेन्ड. ओके, सो ये ब्राउनियन मूवमेंट इज आस्क्ड. 2 मार्क क्वेश्चन कैन बी आस्क्ड फॉर राइट ब्राउनियन मूवमेंट इन शॉर्ट. So you have to write, including this diagram also you have to explain. Fine. This will be in 2 mark question. Charge on the colloidal particles. So colloidal particles always contain charge या carry charge. Colloidal particles carry charge, either positive charge or negative charge. The nature of this charge is same on all the particles in a colloidal solution and may be either positive or negative, either positive charge or negative charge. Both the charges are present. Fine. A list of common soul, it is mentioned in our textbook. If you see, this is positively charged souls and this is negatively charged souls. So you have to keep in mind, you have not to learn them by heart, but you have to keep in mind which are positively charged souls and which are negatively charged souls. Correct? The presence of equal and similar charge on colloidal particles is largely responsible in providing the stability to the colloidal solution. The charge on the soul particles is due to certain factors are there. First is electron capture by soul particles during electrodispersion of metals. Due to preferential adsorption of ions from the solution. Due to formation of electrical double layer. When two or more ions are present in the dispersion medium, preferential adsorption of the ion takes place. Preferential means both the ions are there. Which one is preferred? Either positive or negative ion is preferred. So this is known as preferential adsorption. Okay. Highly diluted solution of example show कर रहे हैं. Highly diluted solution of AgNO3 is added to highly diluted potassium iodide solution. So you know precipitate of AgI will be formed. This precipitate of AgI कैसे बेटा ये कैसे लिखोगे? AgNO3 plus Ki is equal to AgI plus KNO3. ठीक है, ये precipitate हो गया AgI. So precipitate of AgI absorbs iodide ions from dispersion medium. And so iodide कैसा होता है बेटा? नेगेटिव आयन होता है. आयोडाइड आयन कैसा होगा? I minus. So the negative charged colloidal soul is resulted. But when Ki solution is added to AgNO3 solution, then positively charged soul is formed या results due to the adsorption of Ag plus ion. Ag plus ion लेगा. So this is known as preferential adsorption of ions. So AgI, when it will absorb I minus, इसको ठीक से लिखो I minus, then it is known as negatively charged. When AgI will absorb positive charge, so it will known as positive charged. ठीक है. Now rest part, the last part I will explain you in the next class. Thank you.